I remember this December 27th many years ago. Wrapped up warm against the winter chill, Leo, Max, and Sophie ventured out for a walk in the snow-covered woods. The crisp air, the crunch of snow under their boots, and the quiet beauty of nature brought a sense of peace and calm after the excitement of Christmas. They collected pine cones and admired the frosty branches, appreciating the simple joys of nature. Their hearts filled with joy and gratitude for another Christmas together with all their loved ones. As we wrap up the year, we appreciate all your support. YourSupermart.com.